50-50 backside lip slide transfer. Backside rodeo 9 with the indie grab. Yes, locks that one down. Ladies and gentlemen, make some noise, go mental, go crazy. Mr. Martin Morris on board. 50-50 backside lip slide to Fakey. Setting himself up, switch for the bowlers. He's going to go cab, 7 nose grab. Into, switch into the first jump.
That was good. You have a goggle light? Yeah, dude.
Yeah, Mark. Yeah, man. Nice riding, dude. Good job.
On the arbor, Tyler Nicholson to the circuit.
So, of course, Tyler Nicholson, lip slide to switch longboard, transfer, buttery smooth. Now, check this out, backside rodeo Japan. Now he's going to probably go switch frontside 1440. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Fucking crushed it.